Are you a property owner who just hired a new property manager or property management company? It's important to keep your tenants updated and informed about any changes that may affect their living situation. That's why we're here to guide you on how to properly introduce your new property manager to your tenant. How to send a new property manager introduction letter. First things first, let's talk about what a property manager introduction letter is and why it's so important. What is a property manager introduction letter? This letter serves as an introduction to your new property manager, and it provides essential information about them. It's a great opportunity for you to communicate any changes that may occur under the new management, such as new procedures for rent collection, maintenance requests, or contact information. It's crucial that your tenants are aware of any changes to avoid confusion or misunderstandings that could potentially harm your relationship with them. By sending a property manager introduction letter, you can ensure that your tenants are informed and prepared for any adjustments that may occur. So, if you're a property owner who just hired a new property manager, don't forget to send an introduction letter to your tenants. It's a small but crucial step towards maintaining a healthy and positive relationship with them. So, let's go over some of the most important things that should be included in a new property manager letter. What to include in a property manager introduction letter. Some of the most common information added in these letters include new management introduction, new management company contact information, a specific designated person of contact, how to pay rent, how to submit maintenance requests, and much more, depending on the particular property. Let's go over some details as to how this information should be included in the letter. But before starting, it's important to mention in the letter that the original lease terms still stand. Since a shift in management can call for uncertainty, the landlord should inform the tenant that there will be no changes to the actual lease terms themselves. Property management company introduction. The first thing that should be included in the property manager introduction letter is the new company itself. At the top of the letter, you should include basic information such as the name, address, and phone number of the new management. Below that, the owner should put the date and their own information. Property management company contact details. Next, the property owner should provide all of the contact details for the new property management company. Similar to a new landlord introduction, the tenant should be able to contact the new property manager in case there's any questions or concerns about the property. The tenant may also have concerns about the lease agreement or about any maintenance requests or maintenance issues. These should all be handled by the new property manager, so the tenant must have accurate contact information. Rent payment information. Next up on the letter is a section on the rent payments. Since the rent is no longer going to be paid by the landlord, it is important that the tenants know exactly where they should be sending their payments. For this reason, you should include the property manager's address in the letter. If another form of payment is used, like property management software or another payment app, it should be listed on the letter along with detailed instructions on how to get it started. There should also be a brief statement notifying the tenant that all grace periods and late fees from the original lease agreement still stand. Maintenance request information. After providing information on the rent payments, it is also important to provide information about maintenance requests. In this section, the owner should describe the entire process of submitting maintenance requests. This is especially important when the process involves the use of a third-party software. They should be provided with some instructions on how to use the program to make sure that the tenant can report any issues when they arise. After watching this video, it shouldn't be too difficult to come up with your own property manager introduction letter. However, for your convenience, we're providing you with a letter template for you to use. And the best part? It's completely free. Just visit DoorLoop's resources page. There's a link in the description where you can find a template for this letter among many others, such as the complete lease agreement writing and signing process, or issuing a notice to tenant to remove pets, and much more. Also, while you're there, check out DoorLoop's all-in-one property management solution to streamline your business today. Oh, and if you haven't done so, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel to get access to a lot more content. Right there, you can like and subscribe, all right? Make sure you do that. And as always, happy renting.